Hello everyone, I'm Advik a contestant of Hockey Pocky Online Rubik's Cube Championship. I'm extremely thankful to the Hockey Pocky team for their support and organizing this event so that cubers like me across the world could show their talents to other people. This competition was not only hosted across India but in other countries as well. They also provided us a session with training experts so that we could learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube better than we already did. Also, they hosted multiple rounds in many days, which meant that this was like a WCA competition, which made it feel professional. Also, once again, I would like to thank the Okipoki team for their amazing support and this competition, which again gives cubers like me the chance to prove themselves to the world. Thank you.